Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a Facebook page. So if you want to delete a Facebook page, then it's a really simple process, so I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. But first things first, you want to head over to the Facebook app or the website. Yeah, you can follow along on the website, it's pretty easy. But just go to the app, and then once you're on the app, click on the menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you're going to want to find the pages option out of these 12 options. Once you find it, you're going to want to go ahead and click on it, and you want to switch to the page that you want to delete. So click on the page, and it's going to ask you if you want to switch to the page. So go ahead and switch to it. And once you switch to the page, you're going to want to click on the menu option in the bottom right corner of the screen once again. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to the menu page. And from the menu page, you want to scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. Once you find it, you're going to want to drop down that bar right there, and it's going to bring up these options right here. And now these options, you're going to want to look for settings. Once you find the settings option, go ahead and click on it. It will bring you to the settings page here for the page. So make sure you sign into the page. And once you're on the settings for the page, you're going to want to use the search bar in the top right corner of the screen. And you want to search for delete. Once you search delete, it's going to show this option right here. There's only one option that will show up, and you want to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. It's going to ask you if you want to deactivate the page or delete the page. So go ahead and choose delete page and then click continue. Once you click delete page and continue, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you can just click continue one more time, and it's going to ask you all these options right here. You can go ahead and read through all this if you want to, but if you're sure that you just want to delete it right now, go ahead and click continue one more time, and then you have to put in the password of the account that's linked to the page. So go ahead and put in the password for the account that's linked to the page, and once you do that, you can click continue, and then it will load for a bit, and it'll ask you to confirm the deletion one more time. So go ahead and click continue one more time, and then it's going to ask you again one more time. So click delete page, and then it will delete the page. However, you will have 30 days that you can reactivate the page by logging into your account and then logging into the page. But if you really want to delete, just leave it alone for 30 days, and then it will completely delete the page. As you can see, if I head back over to pages, it's not there anymore. It's completely deleted, and that is how you can delete pages. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.